All right, well, it is hot. I am sweaty. It is just one of those days. It's like 90 degrees here. I'm trying to get started on beans, and I got the combine running. But earlier I was throwing the tarp on the one of the end dumps we use to haul grain, and then earlier in the week Adam got the hopper bottom, the grain trailer, all ready to go. So I got that hooked up. So we're sitting here in pretty good shape. Combine's just about ready. We're just about ready to hit the fields. And we got the hopper hooked up, and we got the end dump hooked up. Tarps are working, and everything should be good. So once we get rolling, we should be able to keep going. That's what I'm hoping. Just a few things I got to button up on the combine, and I'm going to do that. And then we're going to try and actually get in the field today. I'm sick of working on equipment. Well, it is hot. It is dry. I am sweaty because I've been working outside all day. But here we are. I'm sitting in the combine, and we're going to try this. And every year, it's a little nerve-wracking when you're just getting going, because there's a million things that can go wrong. But you know, for the most part, I've been kind of all over this machine. I'm hoping it goes well. We're going to start the year off with combine number 2, Duke. Now, this is the combine that has given me all kinds of headaches 2 years ago. Last year it ran really, really well. This year we got another year under our belts with it, fixed a bunch of stuff. This is the combine we put the exhaust manifold in. Feel pretty confident about the machine. And now it comes to the aspect of the new bean head. I've never ran this head before. We bought this back in June.
I'm Eric's dad. I'm in Fairdale, North Dakota. We're just picking up a bean head that we bought on an online auction because it was roughly half of what we'd paid back home. Eric didn't have time to come and get it. So I'm the guy that's bringing it home. Just putting the safety lights on it now, and they'll be leaving here very shortly.
And so we're gonna be trying out a whole bunch of stuff. So it's October 2nd, so what's nice is it's still fairly early, but I have really dry beans out there. So we are gonna try this, and we're hoping, fingers crossed, everything just runs awesome like it did last year. So we're gonna get going, and I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't nervous, but well, here we go. Let's rip the Band-Aid off and get going. Well, that's the one cool thing here. Yeah, it's over. Yes, that's why I was crawling really slow. All right, so good news. We got combine over here running. We just emptied into the grain cart, and so we got our first grain cart of the year. And Duke is in Duke status, not Duker. It does. It's 2023. It likes us way more. But so today, the beans are a little tough. We've been bouncing around to different fields trying to figure out, find one that'll go. This one in the next day or two will probably go. But it's a nice time frame to kind of figure out problems with combine and head and tractor and apparently grain cart, because we got a tire right here. That's not good. That is really scary. So we were joking around. Adam's like, "Think you'll make the season?" And I'm like, "I'm hoping it makes the end of the day." But that's the kind of cool thing right now. We get some time just to try some stuff out and see what's going to work and what doesn't, and what needs more loving. So hopefully he's going to go very slow back to the yard, and that's going to make it. And then, yeah, nothing bad happens, right? Luckily, we're close to home. And then tomorrow, I think we're going to zip that off and take it to a tire shop and get a new one. Yeah, I like that idea. It's official. Fall started. Dogs go crazy even with just a combine moving around in the yard.
She goes crazy over everything.
That's all right. She still lets you know when everyone's in the yard, though. Nice feeling, though. Everything was running good. We just got to figure out that auger, which I'm thinking is like a shear bolt or slipper cut. But just to be able to get everything out.
The roller chain fell off.
Nope, the roller chainers are on. I was able to pull side shields and take a look at it. So we'll check it out tomorrow. I got to do some trucking in a little bit. But kind of cool then. We're all shaking some rust off. You know, it's been 9 months.
Well, it's going. That's
So,
rain.
yeah, I'm happy.
And considering we finally had rain and it's not wet out there,
Yeah.
just the stalks are wet.
Yeah, we had a shot of rain Saturday night, just enough to keep the dust down, and it's Monday, and hey, we're out.
There's
you know,
still,
we're going.
there's still a puddle in the driveway.
Yeah, so overall, pretty nice start to the season.
Yep. Hopefully it'll go good.
I think it will. It's nice seeing both of those combines there. You know, if you got an issue with one, the other one's right there, so
Yep.
kind of cool. What do you think, Corbin?